The right way to freeze nuts and whole grains. You are preparing your nuts in a wrong way. Let me show you the correct method.
When handling nuts like peanuts and walnuts, it's essential to ensure they're clean and free from any debris or mold. If you come across any spoiled nuts, be sure to discard them immediately.
After cleaning, if there's excess moisture, gently pat the nuts dry with a clean towel to remove it. Dry towel is better. However, it's crucial to act swiftly to prevent oxidation, which can result in the formation of unhealthy compounds.
Therefore, promptly transfer the nuts to a sealable container, such as a glass jar or stainless steel container, to minimize exposure to air.
For optimal freshness and preservation of nutrients, store the nuts in the freezer. If freezer space is limited, the refrigerator is a suitable alternative, but aim to consume them within a week to maintain their quality.
Storing nuts and whole grains in the freezer is a better option, because these foods are prone to oxidation and spoilage.
When you're ready to enjoy the nuts, simply retrieve them from the container. Since nuts are rich in fat, it's best to portion them out as needed rather than leaving them exposed to air for extended periods. This ensures that you're consuming them in a fresh and healthy manner while also prolonging their shelf life.
While it's possible to use a microwave to sanitize a towel, it's essential to proceed with caution. First, ensure the towel is completely damp, as dry materials can catch fire when heated in a microwave.
Place a bowl of water inside the microwave along with the towel to create steam, which helps in the sanitization process. Microwave the towel on high for about 1 to 2 minutes to effectively kill most bacteria and germs.
However, the exact time may vary depending on the microwave's wattage and the thickness of the towel. After microwaving, allow the towel to cool before handling it, as it can become very hot.
When you're preparing meals or food, it's key to maintain its nutrition and make the process simple and easy to handle. That's an important thing to do to ensure you can enjoy healthy meals without too much hassle.
Plus, it's crucial to keep bacteria and germs away if you plan to serve it without cooking at high temperatures.
Freezing root vegetables, a step-by-step guide. To prepare root vegetables, like carrots and potatoes, first wash them well, then carefully cut them into small pieces. Next, spread the pieces out on a baking sheet and freeze them until they're solid.
Once frozen, transfer the pieces into a sealable plastic bag or airtight container, and place them back in the freezer. When you want to use them, simply take out the desired amount and cook them as usual.
Freezing vegetables in this way helps preserve their freshness and allows for convenient use in various recipes.
Yes, freezing root vegetables after cutting them into pieces is a healthy way to preserve them. It helps retain their nutritional value and freshness while also making them convenient to use in cooking.
However, it's essential to ensure that the vegetables are thoroughly washed before cutting and freezing to remove any dirt or debris.
Additionally, storing them in airtight containers or bags helps prevent freezer burn and maintains their quality for longer periods.
Freezing leafy and root vegetables for longevity. First, wash the leafy or root vegetables thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or debris.
Then, chop them into smaller pieces using a sharp knife and cutting board. Next, blanch the vegetables by briefly boiling them in hot water for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then immediately transferring them to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process.
Once blanched, pat the vegetables dry with a clean towel to remove excess moisture. Finally, spread the vegetables out on a baking sheet in a single layer and place them in the freezer until they're frozen solid.
Once frozen, transfer the vegetables to airtight freezer bags or containers, making sure to remove as much air as possible before sealing. Store the frozen vegetables in the freezer until you're ready to use them in your recipes.
Preparing vegetables for freezing offers several advantages. Firstly, it significantly extends their shelf life, allowing them to be stored for several months without spoiling.
Additionally, this method helps retain nutrients better compared to storing in the fridge, as vegetables are quickly frozen after blanching, preserving their nutritional value.
Moreover, freezing provides greater flexibility, enabling you to stock up on seasonal produce or prepare larger batches of vegetables in advance, ensuring you always have healthy options on hand. Proper fruit freezing methodology. Stop right there. You're handling your fruit all wrong. And I'm here to warn you. Cutting fruit into pieces and leaving it open on the desk is a recipe for disaster. Let me explain why.
Cutting fruit into pieces and leaving it open on the desk is not a good idea because it exposes the fruit to air, leading to faster oxidation.
When fruit is cut, its protective skin is broken, allowing oxygen to react with enzymes in the fruit, causing it to turn brown and lose nutrients.
Additionally, leaving fruit exposed increases the risk of bacterial contamination, which can lead to foodborne illness. It's better to store cut fruit in the refrigerator or freezer in a sealed container to maintain freshness and reduce the risk of spoilage.
I will guide you through the correct steps to do it.
First, wash the fruits under cold water to clean them. Then, use a sharp knife and cutting board to cut the fruits into small, bite-sized pieces. Ensure to remove any seeds or pits as needed.
Next, spread the fruit pieces out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the baking sheet in the freezer and let the fruit pieces freeze for a few hours or until they are solid.
Once frozen, transfer the fruit pieces into freezer-safe bags or containers, removing as much air as possible before sealing them tightly.
Label the bags or containers with the date of freezing for easy identification. Store the frozen fruit in the freezer until you're ready to use them in smoothies, desserts, or as a healthy snack.
Storing fruits in the freezer after cutting extends their shelf life and preserves nutrients well. However, frozen fruits may alter in texture and require adequate freezer space. Despite this, it offers convenience for quick use in smoothies and desserts.
Fruits with high water content, such as berries, grapes, and citrus fruits, are well suited for freezing. Additionally, fruits like bananas, mangoes, and pineapples freeze well and maintain their texture when thawed.
Apples and avocados can also be frozen, but they may experience texture changes when thawed. Sliced apples can become soft and slightly mushy, while avocados may darken and become softer.
However, frozen apples and avocados are still suitable for use in smoothies, sauces, or baked goods where texture changes are less noticeable. Please click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the video. The best and healthy snack options. Healthy snack options include a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and yogurt. For fruits, options like apples, bananas, berries, and oranges provide natural sweetness and a dose of vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, peanut, and chia seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, providing energy and satiety.
Yogurt, whether Greek or plain, can be enjoyed on its own or paired with fresh fruit for added flavor and texture.
These snack choices offer a balance of nutrients, flavors, and textures to keep you satisfied and nourished throughout the day. Wholesome dumplings, healthy, filling options for Chinese dumplings. Making Chinese dumplings with a vegetable filling or protein like tofu offers a healthy and delicious option for a satisfying meal.
For the vegetable filling, you can use a variety of finely chopped vegetables such as red cabbage, carrots, mushrooms, and spinach, seasoned with garlic, ginger for a burst of flavor.
Using a moderate amount of quinoa in the filling can also add nutritional benefits, as quinoa is a complete protein and provides essential amino acids.
However, it's essential to watch the portion size and not overload the dumplings with quinoa, as it can increase the calorie content.
Alternatively, tofu can be crumbled and mixed with minced vegetables and seasonings to create a protein-rich filling. Both options provide a nutritious and low-calorie choice, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber.
Whether steamed and boiled, these dumplings make a versatile and wholesome dish that can be enjoyed as an appetizer, snack, or main course.
If tofu is not available, there are alternative options for creating a protein-rich filling for dumplings.
Cooked lentils, whether whole or mashed, can serve as a nutritious and satisfying filling. Additionally, mashed chickpeas or chickpea flour besan can be used to create flavorful dumpling fillings.
These alternatives offer a tasty and wholesome choice for those seeking meat-free options or looking to vary their dumpling fillings. Things to avoid. When preparing snacks like peanuts and walnuts, avoid frying them in oil again, as this can be very unhealthy.
I never recommend preparing cooked fish in advance, as fish is easy to cook and doesn't require extensive preparation.
Additionally, using cooked fish for the entire week is not advisable from a health perspective.
Cooking fish in large batches and storing it for future meals or next meal is also not a good option, as it can affect the quality and freshness of the fish.
The best approach is to cook fish fresh when you need it. The Japanese approach to eating involves consuming a wide variety of ingredients in small portions.
Focus on fresh, seasonal ingredients and aim for a colorful and visually appealing plate.
Learning to batch prepare food is the key to adopting the Japanese eating style.
You don't need to dive into elaborate meals right away. Instead, start simple and small. Begin by dedicating 1 or 2 days a week to batch cooking, preparing several components of your meals in advance.
This way, you will have a variety of ingredients ready to go, allowing you to assemble balanced meals with small portions easily.
Over time, you can expand and refine your batch preparation skills, incorporating more ingredients and dishes into your routine while maintaining simplicity and efficiency.
If you cook a combination of rice, oats, buckwheat, quinoa, lentils, barley, millet, couscous, farro, and amaranth together in a high-pressure instant pot, you can easily incorporate more than 10 grains into your meal.
This diverse mixture offers a wide range of flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits, providing a balanced and wholesome base for various dishes.
By combining different grains, you can create meals that are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals.
Plus, using an instant pot makes the cooking process quick and convenient, allowing you to enjoy a nutritious and satisfying meal with minimal effort.
In Chinese cuisine, the practice of cooking a combination of grains together is often referred to as a treasure, congee, and mixed grain rice.
This method involves cooking various grains, such as rice, oats, barley, millet, and others, together to create a nutritious and flavorful dish.
Mixing different grains adds depth to the flavor and texture of the rice, while also providing a diverse range of nutrients. This is the best way to go.
Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the video. Best wishes for a bright and successful future. See you next time for more exceptional and free content.